Christoph. I'm co-founder of Carbonauten. We are the minus CO2 factory. We sequester CO2 from the atmosphere by creating products that are CO2 negative, and we do that cheap and at a big scale. We created a new category of materials. We call them net materials, net negative emission technology materials. These materials are based on biocarbons. These biocarbons are produced by the pyrolysis of biogenic residues. And here we can fix up to 50% of the carbon content of the original input material into the solid biocarbons. In a second step, we refine these biocarbons and make them, together with other materials, into the so-called net materials, which we market in different industries like polymer, construction, and so on. In the same process, we have a byproduct, a syngas, which is a low calorific gas. A small percentage of this gas we use for ourselves, but we have the ability to provide renewable energy, CO2 neutral, to our industrial partners at a very attractive price. As we can influence the qualities of the biocarbons, we can create different properties, different qualities. So we work with various markets according to these properties where we can implement the specific qualities. And therefore we are not a biocarbon producer. We always think in end products, in end application. And we are a sort of a bridge from the source to the application.